known in history as the conductor of an underground railroad that had no train. Stay tuned for more as I share my top 10 interesting facts about Harriet Tubman, celebrating Black history. Beginning with fact number 1, the actual date of Harriet Tubman's birth is unknown. It is estimated that she was born between 1820 and 1823, but no one really knows because records on slaves' births were not kept at that time. Although she is commonly known as Harriet Tubman in history, that was not her name at birth. Looking at fact number 2, her birth name was Araminta Ross. She was nicknamed Minty by her mother. Looking at fact number 3, at an early age, Araminta experienced head trauma. This is where when another slave was trying to escape, an overseer who was trying to stop the slave threw a heavy weight at that slave, accidentally hitting Araminta in the head, cracking her skull. With fact number 4, because of the head injury, this affected her sleep. Araminta suffered from sleeping spells where she would suddenly fall asleep and it was hard to wake her up. Looking at fact number 5, in 1849, Araminta escaped to freedom. She ran away with her 2 brothers, who eventually returned to their plantation, but Araminta continued on to Pennsylvania, which was a free state, and there she changed her name from Araminta to Harriet. With fact number 6, Tubman worked as an abolitionist. During that time, people who were abolitionists worked to free slaves, and there she became known for working with the Underground Railroad, which was a network of abolitionists who used secret routes and allowed their homes to be used as safe houses to help slaves move to free states. When looking at her work with the Underground Railroad and fact number 7, in 10 years she guided her parents, siblings, relatives, and friends. Some were also guided by her and others following her instructions. With our next fact, Tubman served as a scout and a spy in the Civil War. During her time in the Union, she was employed as a nurse, but worked as a scout and a spy to gather information for the Union Army. Up next, working with the Union Army helped free a ton of slaves. For example, Tubman helped Union Colonel James Montgomery during a raid in South Carolina where they ended up freeing over 700 slaves. With our 10th and final fact, after the Civil War ended, Harriet Tubman spent the remainder of her life helping those in need until her life came to an end on March 10, 1913. Well, I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me as I shared my top 10 interesting facts from the biography of Harriet Tubman, celebrating Black history. If you enjoyed this video and would like to get notified when more videos come out like this one, you can find us right here on our YouTube channel by searching Fresberg Cartoon.